Here we want to use integration by parts to find the integral of natural log of x to the third. And so, once again, this is the formula for integration by parts. And so, what we do is we look at the integral, and then we need to decide to let something be u and the rest of it be dv. And so it's a trial and error process. And so for this particular example, let's let u be the natural log of x to the third, and then the rest be dv. And so we let this part right here be u, and then we let this be dv. And so the derivative of the natural log of x to the third will be 3 times the natural log of x to the second, and then the chain rule says we have to multiply by the derivative of ln x, and derivative of ln x is 1 over x. And then, so this, we get du is 3 times the natural log of x squared times 1 over x times dx. And we let dv be dx. And now integrate both sides. dv is the same as 1 dv. dx is the same as 1 dx. And the entire derivative of 1, it is 1 times the variable, which is 1v. And then on the right hand side, we get 1x. Once again, the integration by parts is the integral of u times dv is equal to u times v minus the integral of v times du. And for this example, u will be natural log of x to the third, v is x, and then minus the integral of v is x, and then du is 3 times the natural log of x squared times 1 over x dx. Here we have x dividing by x, which is 1. X dividing by x is 1, and what's left is 3 times natural log of x squared. And now we have to do integration by parts again for the integral of the natural log of x squared. And so for the integral of natural log of x squared, again, we let u be the natural log of x squared, and then dv be dx. So the derivative of natural log of x squared will be 2 times natural log of x times the derivative of the natural log of x. The derivative of the natural log of x is 1 over x. And so we get du is equal to 2 times the natural log of x times 1 over x times dx. And then we let dv be dx, just like before. Integrate both sides, and we get v is equal to x. And so now we get the integral of u dv is equal to u times v minus v du. So u will be the natural log of x squared, and then v is x, and then v is x, and then du is 2 times the natural log of x times 1 over x times dx. X divided by x is 1, and so what's left is 2 times the integral of ln x. And now we have to do integration by parts one more time for the integral of ln x. So let u be ln x. The derivative of u with respect to x is 1 over x. And so du is equal to 1 over x times dx. And once again, we let dv be dx, and v is x. And therefore the integral of ln x is equal to ln x times x, which is u times v, minus the integral of v times u. So it would be x times 1 over x dx, but here we have x divided by x, which is 1. The integral of 1 is just 1x. And so the integral of ln x is ln x times x minus x. And so in summary, in part 1, we found that the integral of the natural log of x to the third is this. And then next, we found the integral of ln x to the second is this. And then next, we found the integral of ln x is this, is ln x times x minus x. And then simplify, we end up with ln x to the third times x minus 3 times ln x squared times x plus 6 times ln x times x minus 6x, and this is the answer.